In the previous videos, we created an event type for the shipped orders and another for the late orders. Both were displayed in the same calendar. In this video, we'll see how to display each event type in a separate calendar, side by side in the same page. This is useful in several scenarios. For example, if there are many events of different types, it's easier to manage them in separate calendars to avoid clutter. Let's navigate to the admin area and open the calendar plugin. I'll load the Northwind project. I'll open the orders calendar we created before. Let's check the Use Separate Calendars for each event type checkbox and save the calendar. I'll regenerate the calendar files to apply the changes. Let's navigate to the home page to see the updated calendar. I'll click on the orders calendar link. Let's navigate to a month that has both shipped and late orders. Okay, we can now see two calendars side by side. The shipped orders calendar displays the shipped orders in green, and the late orders calendar displays the late orders in red. At the top right, we have buttons to toggle the visibility of each calendar. The view buttons here apply to both calendars. So if I switch to the week view, both calendars switch to the week view. Same for the navigation buttons. If I navigate to a different week, both calendars navigate to the same week. So this is how we can display each event type in a separate calendar in the same page. In the next video, we'll see how to handle events that have both a date and a time.